Responsiveness, trust, reliability, making sure that you have that real in-person relationship with someone. I think the true core value of our business, or like I said before, the heart of our business is our client relationships and relationships in general. And with that being said, I mean, a lot of our competitors subcontract their employees. All of our employees are on our payroll. We have over 250 employees. We have a ton of field managers. And I think what sums it up is from the cleaner to our manager to upper management, the core value of our training from the minute we hire these people to whether or not you're in a meeting in the office or in a meeting with a client. I mean, we really believe in the communication and making sure the client trusts us, they're seen, they're heard, and they feel valued. Responsiveness is very hard with technology. I think there's so many excuses out there. I think people make up excuses all the time for everything. I think responsiveness comes with accountability. And what I like to tell our clients a lot is, you know, we really do, our company holds ourselves accountable for every client. And our top value, and I think the top thing that we pride ourselves on, is responsiveness. I mean, we are very responsive. So we have a support email that comes into the office. So if I'm gone and a client is reaching out, we have a system in here that we have to respond to that client within 10, 15 minutes. Whether it be, hey, we'll let us find out, we'll follow up with you. That is so important. Again, it makes the client feel seen, heard, valued, important. They know that we're working on it, we're following up. Those are just things that should be a given, but now, you know, like, people are asking for it, needing it, they're not getting it. And that's something I feel like should just be like a core value, but I think it sets us apart because there aren't any other companies that are as responsive as we are, whether it be an emergency clean, or if they have to switch a schedule, or if they need a cleaner at the last minute. I mean, we are here and we have a team that comes together and they do an amazing job, and we've built and prided ourselves on being able to do that. So if one person isn't here, another person can take care of it and take care of the client. Obviously, we have gatekeepers or whatnot, but we are very big on, if the person they're wanting to talk to isn't there, we either give out a cell phone number, or, you know, we have staff that is trained, hey, what can I help you with? We want to take care of them right then and there. We also don't want to, I mean, how frustrating is it when you call somewhere and you're put on hold for a little bit, just to be transferred to another person, you're in the wrong department, to be put on hold again. And then they're like, oh, hey, well, we can't help you, we'll have someone call you back. And guess what? Do they follow up? No. We're really big on making sure that when that person calls, that we take care of them the best we can. And then to add to that, and it's really, really important to us, not only the responsiveness, but it's also the follow-up. We are really big on follow-up.